Shubor nakaslem jong Nongkyrshan Hima.
Namar ka jingbam sngohun jo kinong yalam mat Nongkyrshan keseng Bharatiya Janata Party bauba martamlen perbat unom yakun ya ka election MLA House nem arajar arpulai na North Shillong constituency palat lais pak tam ginong yalam mat Nongkyrshan jo keseng BJP ka North Shillong mandal kilawan men Pynïasoh ber keseng National People's Party menta kesengi ha ka jingyalang ka balalong ha community hall jong kadong laumali. Hagate kesengi lapdiang burami kite Nongkyrshan do President ke NPP Shillong City uba wan nampang kharmujai balayo ya jingkran no kurtong uban aireng na North Shillong constituency uba Ramsen Sutengah. Haba ai jingkran hagate ke jingelang uba Ramsen ulapan pau ke jingsok men ke bakrau ha ka ba ulaong ba kani ke jingwan Pynïasoh jong gini Nongkyrshan cha seng kanong kom ke jingkermen ba ka seng kanyo ya jingjob nagate ke constituency house nam arjar arpulai. Ulaong ru ba sa kumbasis pa san phongut Nongkyrshan kaseng All India Trinamool Congress na North Shillong kinsawan man Pynïasoh bat kaseng NPP.
So I am very happy that people start realizing that our party is the party which will move forward, and everyone here who are present, I would like to thank each and everyone for coming to this meeting, enjoying the NPP family, and you'll see the future of Meghalaya is with NPP. And from the president of NPP, Meghalaya Union, his thanks and congratulating everyone who's present here, and everyone here must go home and pull all his friends to join NPP family and bring a candidate winning on 2023. Thank you.
Today, on behalf of NPP 17 North Shillong, I would like to thank the leaders. I'd like to thank you very, very much for this great job. Shall we give them a big hand once again? Shall we do? Please stand up wherever you are, leaders. Please stand up. I request all leaders once again to stand up. All leaders. Yes. Please stand up, leaders. Shall we give them a big hand now once again? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please, please, please. Thank you so much. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Okay? And this is the sign of victory. ये sign है तो जीतना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? Okay. This is actually the sign of victory. So today from my side, I want to thank all of you. I want to thank Balam for your precious time you've spent coming to this meeting. And I would also like to thank the member of Laumali NPP unit for arranging different needs, especially for this meeting today. And not only that, I would also like to thank members of different units coming to this meeting. Now I want to tell you one thing. ये हफ्ता, ये Thursday or Wednesday का, another 150 TMC people will join NPP. Okay? They will join NPP this coming week. Alright. And I want to tell you that this is only the first batch of BJP coming to join NPP. Next few weeks, many will join NPP. And especially with your leadership. Okay? Ba'amid is there, and with your leadership, Ba'amid, with your leadership, I believe that more people will join NPP. Alright? So, now, abhi ek saath karega. Okay? जब रिटर्न होने से और अच्छे से करेगा, ठीक है? आप लोग करिए. Okay. So thank you very much, and I would also like to thank media friends. Shall we give him a big hand? Thank you so much, darling. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Okay. So today it is a day where we all welcome you to NPP family. Okay? Now, we have a strength of more than 400 people today. Okay? And I want, by the time election comes, this group will be able to bring 700 or 800 people from their group. Okay? We will do that. Shall we? Can we do that? Yes. We can do that. Alright? Okay. So today, as an honor of welcoming leaders to our party, I would like to request Balam, the president, to do the honor for our leaders today. Okay? So I request Balam to kindly put on the muffler of NPP as a sign of welcoming to NPP family.
Yan.